What is going on with YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're looking at an accessory from Smartish, the Cable Wrangler. This thing is amazing. I didn't even know this product exists. I didn't know I needed this product until Smartish sent it over. They sent over a nice care package with accessories and cases. That unboxing is on my Instagram. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. You can check that out. All right, let's talk about it. The Cable Wrangler, they sent over some promotional information. Let's see what it's talking about. The goods neatly holds cables on nightstands or wherever cables need wrangling. It works because magnets, very attractive to your cables. Compact and stable, hefty grip that won't slip. Works with all cables and chargers. Cables not attractive enough. Use included magnet collars to boost its tender rating. All right, Smartish is a funny company. I love companies that are a little different, a little out of the box. But let's talk about it. I needed this, and I needed this on my nightstand, and I didn't even know it. So basically, how this works, I've been using it with my Magsafe because when I've been having my Magsafe flop around everywhere. So it comes with these things right here. Let me show you. Let's get this in here. And you can see this magnet is strong. First of all, this thing is sturdy. It's built sturdy. Also, the flavors, colors, lightly toasted beige, #2 pencil gray, I'm blushing, and Tell Me More. If you can see that right there. The teal one is baller. Like that's probably the color I would have selected. I just love how it looks. Comes with these little ties. So what happens is you put these ties on your cable, and I'll show you how to do it. Put the tie on. It's easy. There's nothing to think about here. You just put the tie on, boom, it's on. Now this tie is magnetic, and there you go. It sticks. So how I've been using it is I put this on my nightstand like this, pull it out a little, and boom, I charge my phone. Now when I take it off the charger, I don't have this cable flopping around everywhere, falling behind the nightstand, on the side of the bed. It's a simple idea. It's a very simple concept. And if you don't really pay attention, you might not even know you need one of these until Smartish sends you one, or you buy one from Smartish and you're like, oh man, this is something I didn't even know I needed. But this thing is dope. You could use, it comes with, how many ties? I don't know. It had quite a few in the bag, quite a few of the little ties in the bag. And then you just put it on your Wrangler. And then you can see this magnet don't play. This magnet, look. And this thing is heavy. This magnet is real deal serious. Smartish. You're a genius for coming up with this one. Normally, I don't rave over accessories, but this thing is dope. All right, man. If you got some cable issues and you need something, I would consider picking this up. It is $19.99. And then you could add, let's see, they sent me some promo, $19.99. I'll put the links in the description. You could add a 6-foot lightning cable and a cable and 2-port wall charger, 3-pack combo for $39.99. But if you just got all your cables, you're good. You could buy the Wrangler, 20 bucks, and then you're good. This is a nice, like if you can see, this has magnets at the bottom, tracks to that, and it's stylish. All right. I didn't know I needed a Cable Wrangler, but it turns out I do. Get active in the comments. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.